Hi, my name is Adam Havrilla. Welcome to this month's Flowers What's Next. It is May. It is about celebrating all amazing women in your life. We're going to take our one bouquet with coordinating vases and ribbons and decorate our whole entire home with them. What we'll need for this month's beautiful decorations in our home is I found these milk jugs. I think they're absolutely adorable. I got two different sizes and I think they're gonna look great for what we're doing. And all I wanna do is take some natural ribbon and we're just gonna tie. I am a believer that not everything needs a bow, but this is raw ribbon and look at, I like it just like that. A simple double knot. It makes the moment. You don't necessarily have to have this extravagant bow on things. Sometimes just the simplicity of it is our statement. And as you can see, it's a little bit offset. This is going to help that whole garden look we are going for this month. Love that. And we're going to do the same thing with the little ones. The little ones, I am just going to do a single. But already, aren't these the most adorable thing? As we spread these through the home, the one thing that's going to keep unification is that all the bows have a little accent of ribbon that's the same, and the flowers are in the same exact color palette. If you don't have milk jugs, you can use different size vases, just something to tie it on. But I love the milk jugs, and that's why we're using it this month. Vases are ready. Bouquet is already separated out. This month you have a gorgeous yellow and green bouquet. Nothing says happiness like a bold shot of yellow in your home. Let's start with our pittosporum. We're going to take this, we're going to cut it into two pieces. One goes in one vessel, and we'll do another one over in a tall. Lepidium, my absolute favorite. This goes a long way, so we'll put one there. This really is the inspiration, this flower, for this whole design moment, because I think Lepidium looks like you just went to the garden and you picked it and you brought it in, and I was inspired by that, so I wanted to create something fabulous with it. So now we have that there. At this point, we have green in every one of the vases. We want to make sure that we keep the color palette, the green and yellow in every vase, so when people go through your home, or even you walking through your home, you have these little eye shots of beautiful flowers. Look at these sunflowers, absolutely stunning. And we're going to put one in a smaller one. Let's go ahead and put it down here. Want to do another one over here. The one thing about this design for this month is it doesn't have to be perfect. We're not looking for perfection. We're looking to make sure all the vases have the same colors and flowers throughout. Beautiful stock flower, give it a fresh cut. Let's put it over here with this Lepidium. It's a little too tall for me. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. Put that through. How cute is that? Next we have our Ostromeria. Make sure you take off the foliage that may be in the water. And let's do, what else do I have? Let's do one coming up with this sunflower. Beautiful. Our rose, definitely want to add one of these vibrant yellow roses to this vase with the stock. And we have a spray rose, and let's put the spray rose down in a little vase there. How cute is that? Next we have these gorgeous green cushions. Take one of these off so you have just a piece with two. And we're gonna put it with the sunflower. We can do the same with this one. There's actually a couple of laterals. Look how long those are. Absolutely perfect for all our vases. Take that one off too. And we're gonna put this one, where can we put this one? Let's put this one into this vase. These little pieces, give them a fresh cut, making sure foliage is above the water line. What a great little accent that is. And we'll do the same with the other. And something I want to mention when it comes to filling up your clear vases with water, I always love to do it just halfway up. I think there is something very organic and beautiful about seeing a water line and seeing where the stem goes into the water. It just makes me really happy. When you fill it all the way up, you lose that moment. So just a little key, fill it up halfway, see what you think. Next we have our matricaria. Just like those cushion mums, you can pull some of the pieces off. Put one in here, and there's a broken one, so we can go in with our clippers and just clip that right off. We have a couple more little guys. Is this not absolutely breathtaking? Imagine walking around your home and having all these gorgeous flowers welcoming you. So what do you think? This is the perfect way to make sure you take one bouquet that's under $20, separate it into vessels you have, add a coordinating ribbon, spread them around your house, and you have floral moments throughout. If you are a mom, we wish you a very happy Mother's Day month. You deserve way more than a day, and honestly, way more than a month. Thank you for all you do. And remember, send me images, I'd love to see it. Like and subscribe, and we will see you next month.